Okay, maintain silence. Keep quiet. Write down next problem number 7. If the circle x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equals to 0 has the center at 2, 3. Then find small a comma b and the radius of the circle. See, listen. Don't write, listen. First, what is given here? Given equations x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equals to 0. Now see, this in which form? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f plus c equals to 0. Means what? This is general form of the circle equation. Is it clear? Now here by comparing, what is the value of 2g here? 2g equals what? A. 2f equals what? B. What is c value here? Minus 12. Now what is g here? G equals to a by 2 and f equals to b by 2. What is c value here? Minus 12. Now what is the center of the circle? Center is what that is? Minus g comma minus f. Now here minus g means what? That is a by 2. Minus f means what? B by 2. Okay now? So minus a by 2 comma minus b by 2. So this is given. What is that? Center is given at which point? That is 2 comma 3. Now see here, minus a by 2 equals to 2 comma minus b by 2 equals what? That is 3. Now here minus a equals to 2 to how much? 4. Minus b equals to 2 to how much? 6. Now what is a value here? Minus 4. What is b value here? Minus 6. Okay. Now see here, substitute a comma b values in equation number 1. Okay. So what we are getting here? X square plus y square. Now what is a value here? Minus 4x. And what is b value? Minus 6y minus 12 equals to 0. Now this is our required equation of the circle. And next we have to find out C. We have to find out AB values and the radius of the circle. So what is the radius of the circle? What is the formula? See now, R equals to square root of g square plus x square minus c. So this is the formula for finding radius. Now what is g? Already we know g equals what? A by 2. A value how much? Minus 4 by 2. This is equals to what? Minus 2. And next what is f value? B by 2. This is equals what? What is b value? Minus 6. Minus 6 by 2 means what? That is minus 3. Now here what is g? G square means what? Minus 2 square. And f means what? Minus 3 square. Minus 6. What is c value? C equals what? That is minus 12. So what we are getting here? Minus 2 whole square is nothing but 4. Plus minus 3 whole square 9. Minus into minus plus 12. So this is equals to what? See here, 4 plus 9 how much? 13. 13 plus 12 25. Root 25. This is equals to what? 5. this is the radius of the circle. Okay na? Right down. If the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 4x plus 6y plus a equals to 0 has radius 4, then find a. See now listen. What is our given circle equation? X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus a equals to 0. Now see here, this equation is comparing with what? General form of the circle. What is that? 2x plus 2y plus c equals to 0. This is which equation? General form of the circle equation. Now by comparing, what is 2g value here? Minus 4. And what is 2f value? 6. And what is c value? 8. Okay. Now g equals to what? Minus 4 by 2. And f equals to what? 6 by 2. And what is c value? 8. Now g equals to what? Minus 4 by 2 means that is minus 2. F equals to 3. And c equals to 8. So now here we have to find out the a value. The radius is also given. What is the formula for finding radius? R equals to square root of g square plus x square minus c. Now this is equals to what is g value here? Minus 2 whole square. What is f value? x square minus what is c value? 8. Radius is given. How much? 4. That is 4. Okay now? 4 equals to what is that? Minus 2 whole square is nothing but 4 plus 3 square means minus 8. Now we have see 4 equals what? 4 plus 9. How much that is? 13. Now 13 minus 8 equals what? That is 4. Now see here, squaring on both sides. So what we are getting here? See, squaring on both sides. Now 16 equals to 13 minus square root gets cancelled. Is it clear? Now here minus a comes this side plus a equals to 13 plus 16 comes this side minus 16. 13 minus 16 how much that is? 3. What is a value here? Minus 3. A equals to minus 3. Is it clear? Next, problem number 9. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle passing through passing through 4, 1, 6, 5 and having the center on the line 4x plus y minus 16 equals to 0. 4x plus y minus 16 equals to 0. Okay, listen. See, you don't write. Here, see, we have to find the equation of the circle. Now, what is the general form of the circle equation? X square plus 2x plus 2y plus 6 plus 0. Now, you take this is equation number 1. Now, the general form of the circle equation is passing through which points, that is first 4, 1 and then 6, 5. First take the first point, that is what 4, 1. Take this is denoted by what? X and y. What is x value here? 4. What is y value? 1. So what we are getting here? See now, x means what? That is 4 square plus first point we are taking, that is what? 4, 1. Means what? 4 square plus 1 square plus 2g into x means what? 4 plus 2f into 1 c equals to 0. Now 4 square means what? That is 16 plus 1 plus 8g plus c equals to 0. See here, 8g plus 2f plus c equals to what? Plus 17 goes that side, minus 7. Okay now? Now you take this is equation number 2. And next you see, take the second point, which one that is? 6, 5. Now see, what is x value here? 6. What is y value? 5. So substitute in equation number 1. What we are getting? 6 square, 5 square, 6 means what? 6. What is y? 5. C equals to 0. Now 6 square means 36. 25. C equals to 0. Now see here. 36 plus 25, how much? 61. Plus 12g plus 10f plus c equals to 0. Now see here, 12g plus 10f plus c equals to plus 61 goes as minus 61. We take this is equation number 3. And next you see, and having the center on the line. Okay, now what is given here? Center on the line. Which line that is? 4x plus y minus 16 equals to 0. This is given. Center means what? What is the center of the circle? What is the center of the general form of the circle? Center in the formula in minus g comma minus f kada. Okay. What is the center here? Minus g comma minus f is passing through which equation? 4x plus y minus 16 equals to 0. This is given. In place of x, what is that? Minus g. In place of y, what is that? Minus. Now substitute here 4 into. Now see here is that. See now. 4 into what is x? Minus g. Plus what is f? What is y here? Minus f. Minus 16 equals to 0. So what we are getting here? Minus 4g minus f minus 16 equals to 0. Minus 16 goes that side plus 16. Okay now? Now this is multiply with minus. What we are getting? 4g plus f equals to minus 16. Now we take this is equation number 4. Okay now? Next to solve equations 2, 3 and 4. We have to find the values of g and g, f and c. Now see how we can solve here. Listen. The equation number 4 is in which terms? G and f. So now equation 2 and 3 is in which terms? G, f, c. Okay now? So what we are doing here? 2 minus 3 చేస్తే ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ c మైనస్ c క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది కదా. equation becomes GF. Okay na? Now see here 2 minus 3. What we are getting here? What is equation number 2? G plus 2F plus C. Plus C that is equals to ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి minus 3 అంటే minus 12G minus 10F minus 6. This is equals to what? Equation number 2 right hand side minus 7C. So here minus 3 means what? Minus into minus that is plus 60. Is it clear? 2 minus 3 చేసినాం అంటే both sides. So what we are getting here? Plus 8G minus 12G. How much? Minus 4G. Plus 2F minus 10F. Minus 8F. Plus C minus C. Cancel. Now this is equals to what? Minus 17 plus 61. How much? 44. Okay now? Minus 4G minus 8F equals what? 44. What we are getting common here? 4 common here. Minus G minus 2F is equals to what? 44. Okay now? 4 common is 4 1 ja 4 11 ja. So what we are getting here? Minus G minus 2F equals to what? Now you take this is equation number 5. Okay. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు నెక్స్ట్ సాల్వ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ 4 and 5. సో ఇక్కడ minus 2F ఉంది ఇక్కడ F ఉంది ఏం చేస్తాం ఈక్వేషన్ 4 ని 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి ఓకేనా 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే plus 2F minus 2F క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది కదా ఓకేనా సో నౌ సీ equation 4 is multiply with what? That is 2. So what we are getting here? 8G plus 2F equals what? Minus 32. This is what? Equation number 4. Run change చేస్తున్నాను 6 okay na next what is equation number 5 here? Minus G minus 2F equals what? That is 11. This is equation number 5. ఏం చేయాలి యాడ్ చేయాలి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి యాడ్ చేయాలి కదా యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది ప్లస్ 2F minus 2F gets cancel plus 2F minus 12 gets cancel 8G minus G 7G is equals what? Minus 32 plus 11 minus 21. Okay na? Now here what is G value? 7 1 is 7 3 is minus 3. G equals to minus 3. Okay na? Next ఏం చేస్తారు substitute G value in equation number 4. కనిపిస్తుందా ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుందా ఎంతలో ప్రయాణం వస్తుంది see now substitute G value in equation number G equation. See now listen. Substitute G value in equation number 5. What we are getting? Here is equation number 5. Okay. So minus what is G? Minus 3 minus 2F equals to 11. Now see here minus into minus how much? Plus 3. 3 minus 2F equals what? 11. 3 plus 11 come this side minus 11 equals to 2F. 3 minus 11 how much? Minus 8. So what is F value here? Minus 8 by 2. That is equals to what? Minus 4. This is F value. So next we have to find out the equation, the value of C. Okay. What is equation number? C. Substitute G comma F in equation number 2. Then equation number 2. What is equation number 2? Tell me once. 8G plus 2F plus C equals what? Minus 17. Now we have to substitute g comma f in equation number 2. So what we are getting here, 8 into what is g value, minus 3, plus 2 into what is f value, minus 4, plus c equals what, minus 17. Now 8 into minus 3, how much, minus 24, minus 8, plus c equals what, minus 17. So what we are getting here, minus 24 minus 8, how much, minus 32, minus 17 come this side, plus 17, plus c equals to 0. Minus 32 plus 17, how much this is, minus 15, plus c equals to 0. What is c value? Minus 15 goes that side, plus 15. Okay now? Now see here now, substitute g comma f comma c in equation number 1. Okay, standard general form of the circle equation ఉంది కదా, దాంట్లో gfc ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. What is that equation number 1? That is x square plus y square is 2gx is 2fy is equals to 0. Now here x square plus y square plus 2 into what is g value, minus 3 into x plus 2 into what is f value, minus 4 into y plus c is what, that is 15 equals to 0. So what we are getting here, c, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 equals to 0. This is our required equation of the circle. Okay now? Right there. This is for 7 marks. Important. Next, what is second point? Listen. If f square minus c is greater than 0, then the intercept made on the y-axis by the circle x square plus y square is 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 is 2 root f square minus c. 2 root f square minus c. These conditions are important. X-axis means what, that is 2 root g square minus c. Y-axis means 2 root f square minus c. Okay now? Remember these 2 points. Next, see. Write down next note. First point, write down g square minus c equals to 0. a1 a2 equals to 0. Then a1 comma a2 are coincident. That is, the x-axis touches the circle. In 2 coincident points. Thus the x-axis points. That is. Thus the x-axis touches the circle. At the point of coincidence. Take the figure also. g square minus c equals to 0, that is a1 a2 equals 0. a1 a2 are coincident. The x-axis touches the circle in two coincident points. Then the x-axis touches the circle at the point of coincidence. The circle touches the x-axis. Then what is the condition here? G square minus c equals to 0. Okay na? Next see. Write down second point. Over. Next C. Write down next one. Listen. F square minus c equals to 0. Here b1 b2 equals to 0. Then b1 comma b2 are coincident. The y-axis touches the circle in two coincident points. The y-axis touches the circle, the point of coincidence. Now see here. Take the x-axis and y-axis, and this is called as origin. Take the circle like this. Here what? b1 equals to b2. Okay? Like this. Over this. What is first condition? G square minus c equals 0 means the circle touches the x-axis at 2 points, a1 and a2. Now what is the second condition here? F square minus c equals to 0. Then b1 b2 equals 0. Now here the circle touches the y-axis. At which point? That is b1 equals to b2. Okay. Completed. Write down next. If g square minus c, third one write. If g square minus c less than 0, then the circle one does not meet the x-axis. Does not meet the x-axis. Next one is the fourth point. F square minus c less than 0. Then the circle one does not meet the y-axis. Completed.